Welcome to our tutorial on how to calculate the Employee Retention Tax Credit for your business. In this video, we will walk you through the steps on how to calculate the Employee Retention Tax Credit, which is a tax relief provided to eligible employers that retain their employees during the COVID-19 pandemic. The Employee Retention Tax Credit, or ERTC for short, is a tax incentive that aims to provide support to employers hit hard by the pandemic. It is designed to offset the cost of retaining employees by providing a tax credit to eligible employers based on the qualified wages paid to their employees during the pandemic. To be eligible for the ERTC, your business must have experienced either a full or partial suspension of operations due to government orders related to COVID-19, or a significant decline in gross receipts. Additionally, your business must have retained your employees during the pandemic to be able to claim the credit. To calculate the amount of ERTC you can claim, you need to determine the qualified wages paid to each eligible employee. Qualified wages are those paid to employees during the period of suspension or decline in gross receipts. The tax credit is equal to 70% of qualified wages paid to eligible employees, up to a maximum of $7,000 per employee per quarter. That's it for our tutorial on how to calculate the Employee Retention Tax Credit. By taking advantage of this tax credit, you can get back some of the costs of retaining your employees during these difficult times. Thank you for watching.